Hey guys, happy Vlogmas Day 11. Today is my birthday on Vlogmas Day 11. I pre-filmed a little bit so I could keep up with the daily videos. And I'm gonna open a Sunny Angel because Connor got me one for my birthday. This is I think this is just the happy birthday one. There's a bear one, which I opened last year, but I've always wanted to open a cake one. It's my first time. And these are the options. I want probably mint or secret because I think it's kind of like iridescent maybe. So let's see what's in here. I'm really excited for my first birthday cake, Sunny Angel. I'm also wearing my Sagittarius t-shirt. And let's see which cake I get. Any predictions? I got the original one, I think, vanilla. Or wait, why is this called strawberry shortcake? It looks vanilla to me. But it's so cute. I'll place it next to Connor's because he actually has a birthday cake Sunny Angel and I don't. So that's my unboxing. Connor also got me a veggie series because that's the one I like collect the most. And I pulled a carrot, which I already pulled. So I'll find somebody who would like my extra carrot. Why is this not focusing? Let's see, focus. I'm filming on the front camera because I honestly just didn't want to take the time to set up the other camera. Now we're gonna go pick up my cake. I'll show you that. I have to stop and get some like paper plates on the way and we might go to the film lab because I wanna drop off film from the wedding and I didn't have time yesterday. We're going to Jewel right now because I need to get little paper plates just in case. We made it to Jewel. I think there should be some hopefully cute-ish plates. Did I mention it's my 30th birthday? So it needs to have a mature vibe. I'm getting these plates. Or should I get these? I'm gonna get napkins too, even though I don't think I need them. All right, it's raining, which is random because I feel like it's winter. But I'm stopping by the film lab. I'll probably go back tomorrow with my birthday film, but I really want to see the film from the wedding. So it's kind of on the way to the bakery anyway, so we'll just go. We made it. Film has been dropped off. Now we're going to get the cake. And then we can do a cake reveal. And then it'll be time for dinner. We're getting Thai, so I'll show you what we all get. All right, we're getting the cake at Tous Les Jours. Here are all the cakes. I got a party bear though. This is really cute though. And so is he. Connor's carrying the cake. They gave me a free birthday macaroon, which was so nice. Now we're walking to dinner, which is at Silly Cory. It's a Thai restaurant. And I've only been once. I chose it because it has a nice vibe. And I've been there with a couple of my friends and they liked it. So I definitely wanted Thai. All right, we're here. Here's my drink.
So nice. Oh, you guys got your guy.
And we got one with matcha, yuzu, matcha.
Ooh, those look really good too.
Wait, those do look good.
Thank you. Good job.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
It's party time.
Happy birthday, dear Ellie. Happy birthday to you.
We're at Fat Four. Everyone say hi to my vlog. Hi. Ashlyn, what a shot. How do you feel?
5 extra raffles.
Yeah! Look at these flowers Daisy brought me. This is so cute. There were little Sunny Angels right there and there. But I was about to put these in a vase, but I thought I should show you because it's so cute. So thank you, Daisy and Omar, if you're watching. These are so pretty.